Have you tried this new Red Bull? Woo! Oh, it's so good. So I suppose I better explain myself. Hello. My name's George. I fly drones. This thing. Hello! I fly drones. Welcome to the channel. It's swaying around a bit here because my tripod's not very sturdy, but you're gonna have to deal with that shit. We're gonna be starting to do more regular content. I'm gonna be doing a bit more behind the scenes stuff. So why the hell am I making this video? I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update if you're interested on what's going on. One of the opportunities I've had recently was to be flying at Drift League UK, Drift League GB. Drift League. You've seen drift cars with FPV drones, you've seen it. So skip this part if you don't want to, but I'll roll the edit now just so you can see that.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, it's useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world.
This is the beginning of meditation. Beginning of meditation.
Most of us would have rather money than tangible wealth, and a great occasion is somehow spoiled for us unless photographed. And to read about it the next day in the newspaper is oddly more fun for us than the original event.
I think the key is I'm just going to create stuff, no matter what it is, because I think a lot of the time I'm too worried about being shit basically, and I'm too worried about what people are going to think of my shit and what people are going to think of my videos. I'm just going to keep creating. Can you see my belly right now? I don't know. I think the best way to be is to just get my own content out there and see what happens. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, you guys like it. I'm going to be trying to do this regularly for you guys. I know my audio is rubbish. I know I'm using an iPhone for video. This will all get better in due course. Please let me know what you think. Please. Thank you. Right, we are going to fly some drones because that's what we're here to do. We're going to fly a good old 5-inch here. Ah, right, time to let our troubles just fly away. Oh, we're gonna have a fucking good day. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps. Keep an eye out for the next one, where we'll be down at Luke Watersports having some fun with those guys. We're going to be chasing jet skis, windsurfers, kite surfers, all sorts. So please check that video out, and maybe, I don't know, we'll lose a drone. So it could be good viewing for you guys. Bye. Thank you. Love you. Don't let that sunset fool you. It's getting colder here in England now. I would have had a lovely time lapse for you, but my storage ran out. Sorry. Bye.